Hello friends, today we will see how to create a beautiful header for your Divi website. Before diving into our tutorial video, let me show you what we are going to achieve in today's tutorial. So this is my client website and for them I have built this beautiful header. So as you can see, there is a simple call to action button on the left side. On the right side you can see there is a social media icon, and then there is a contact us button with the background behind it only. And then when you scroll down, the header just it stick to the menu and it looks very beautiful. And you can see even this landing page is so beautiful and attractive. So let's directly dive into our tutorial video. Go to theme builder, add new template. I would not be creating a global header because I do not want to change my existing header. So what I will do, I will just disable this global and will create a custom header, and then I will tap on this. Just select third last row type. Now add a blur module over here. So we would be adding our, for example, we would be adding mail and the phone number over the body section. We would not be adding in the title because of designing issue. So let's just add our mail ID here, and then in icon we will just use icon of the mail, this one. Now we'll tap on the design section, enable the circular button, and so let me just first give the icon color and make the circle white and place the circle left, and then use circle border. Okay, make it white, and let me just first of all give this a background. Just remove the extra spacing, go to the body text. Okay, now just simply duplicate it and drag it to the next column. Let's add a phone number over here and go to the image and change the icon. This one is perfect, and I would be adding one CSS code for this, because as you can see the text and the icon is not centrally aligned, means like you can see the text is moving upward. So right now in Divi you do not have an option to give the spacing between the text and the from the upper side and from the bottom side. So in order to achieve that thing, what we will do is, like, we will add a CSS code to our page setting. So just tap on this setting and go to the advanced, and then in the custom CSS, and now you can see the code, the text is aligned centrally properly. It is aligned centrally. If you want more, you can do that thing. If you want that thing, let's say if I move it to the 5, then it is fine. So now let's add a social media icon over here. Okay. just go to the social media icon and just tap on the setting, and then in the go to the background, just change it to white, and then go to the design, and in the icon just change the color, whatever color you want. But in our case we want the color which we are using, so we will pick that color and then we will paste over here. And now what we have to do is like we have to add the border and make it round because our all button are round, and now it is fine. Now just duplicate it. Now just simply change the whatever social media you want, and just simply change the background of, you need to just change the background only. And now let me select the Instagram icon. Now simply go to the social media module setting and go to the design, and in alignment section just move it to the right. Now just save it. Now our top header has been designed. Now we have to design main header. So in order to do that thing, what we will do is like we will add a new section, and here what we will do is simply take a row, and then we will take a menu module. Now what we have to do is like we have to add a logo over here. So let me select if I have any logo. So I have this one logo. Let me use this logo. And now what I will do is like I will just go to the sizing, and in logo width and height I will just reduce the size of the logo, my logo, so to the 45%. It's fine. You can, if you want to do that thing for your logo, either you can simply just while you are making logo you can export a small logo for this section. So now let's just save it, and what we will do is like we will remove this extra spacing padding. So our header is also done, but it is still not done because we need to customize this contact me button. So in order to do that thing, what we have to do is like just simply paste that code. And so this is the code, and right now there would be no any change because we need to give a CSS class to our menu for to which we want to design. But before giving the CSS class, by going to the menu section, we will just simply change the background color of this from the CSS code. And now just simply copy this CSS class menu, and the menu item in which you want that background thing, you can just simply go to there and just add a CSS class which you have copied there. Just add this. So as you can see, our exact menu has been done like this one, but we have missed one thing to fix this header. So in order to do that thing, what we will do is like simply we will go to this section setting, we will go to the scroll effect, and then we will just simply enable this option, stick to the top, and just leave it and save it and save this thing. Let me just assign this template to one of the page so that you can see it. So let me just assign to the home page, and let me just hide this thing for a while, and let me just go to the header thing. So as you can see now our new header has been enabled, and let me just scroll it so you can see so beautiful fixed header has been done. So hope you like that video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my content. Thank you.